This is just going to be a quick video on how to install and authorize your iReport app to run on a Mac. Here's the zip file you'll get from the website. Just unzip it, then drag the folder out onto your desktop just to make things a bit easier. Open up the folder. You'll see a Run Me First script. You're going to want to run this the very first time you run the iReport Mac app. Don't just, you won't be able to run it straight away, so just run Me First. You just do it this one time, and then you won't have to do it anymore. You can just run the app from just this file right here. But this first time, double click the Run Me First. You get the question mark, and then you go to Open Privacy and Securities setting here. Scroll down. Open anyway, the Run Me First command, open anyways, and open anyway. Use my password just to authorize it. And then you might get this sandbox error, which is, it's fine, not a problem. Just say okay and run the command again, and it should open right up. No problem. Now, if you don't get that question mark pop up when we first started, then what you can do is you just go to this Apple here and System Settings, and you'll get the same window that we had before. You have to just go down to Privacy and Security, and then scroll down, and you'll see it here again. You'll see it Run Anyways, and you just click on the Run Anyways. That's the other way to do it. So yeah, just run this first before you, and then you'll be able just to run the app. As you can see, I'll do it. It'll open right up, no problem. Thanks for watching.